तो आश्रम का सेकंड चैप्टर, सो कितने एक्साइटमेंट एंड कितना प्रेशर है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट वन इज अ ह्यूज हिट. सो अब सेकंड की अगर बात करते हैं सीक्वल की, तो कितना प्रेशर फील करते हो?
Why would there be pressure? I mean, the prequel was loved, and ये तो continuation ही है कहानी की, तो लोगों को तो और भी ज्यादा excitement होगा ना about the same. So I'm equally thrilled for that.
All right, and how was your experience working with Prakash sir, Bobby Deol, with everyone?
It was nice. Shuru mein, I was very intimidated by like working with Bobby Deol, to be honest, because he's after all he belongs to a star family. He's done so many films and everything. I've grown up watching his films, but धीरे धीरे जब हम काम करने लगे तो I started understanding. Everybody will say the same thing about him. He's actually very humble, and वो भी मतलब it's not like मैं Bobby Deol, so you guys have to give me too much of importance about this, about that. No, he's very chill, friendly, and yeah, he's professional as well. Yeah.
Okay, so if I ask you what was the challenges you have faced while preparing your character, so what was those hurdles?
I had to learn to be a little more mature than my age. बहुत कुछ मतलब जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ठहराव. Like Tridha being a girl, I am probably much more jumpy, bubbly ऐसी हूँ. But Babita is a very different character. ऐसा नहीं कि she is not fun, कि उसके life में सब कुछ बहुत grey है. She's not a grey character at all. But कुछ तो मतलब वो ठहराव and मुझे समझना पड़ा कि what about her background and all. तो इन सब के बारे में थोड़ा ध्यान में रख के आई हैड टू कीप इट विद इन मी कि मुझे कंट्रोल करना था कि ताकि मैं भटक नहीं जाऊं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रकाश सर एंड हिज एंटायर टीम वाज देयर टू हेल्प मी विद दैट.
ओके, सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि आपके
लॉस्ट यू मोनिका,
क्या डिफरेंस है, तो व्हाट आर दोस थिंग्स?
नो सॉरी आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड. आपका वो ब्रेक हो गया.
कैरेक्टर में क्या कुछ सिमिलरिटीज है एंड डिफरेंसेस है, द रियल लाइफ एंड द रियल लाइफ वन?
Nice, good question. Yeah, so I think Shraddha and Babita will have a very strong similarity, which is that they don't give up that easily, I would say. अगर हमने ठान लिया कि हम कुछ करेंगे तो वो करके दिखाएंगे. I think that is a very big similarity between Shraddha and Babita, which you'll eventually see out there. बहुत जल्दी वो हार नहीं मानती है. So that is a big similarity.
Okay, and apart from that, shoot की अगर बात करूँ तो कैसा रहा सेट पे? What is the best memories you have from the set?
My God, इतने सारे थे, but I'll say the fun part. तो अब जो दिखता है वो तो वैसा नहीं है. So अभी अयोध्या में बहुत ठंड होती है. We shot in October, November, December, Jan, February, the coldest months in the north of India. तो उसमें तो हम बस ऐसे शॉल में. I was always साड़ी clad. So typical जैसे बॉलीवुड हीरोइन का जो सिचुएशन होता है, flimsy एकदम साड़ी पहनी हुई. I am the only person जिसको कोई स्वेटर नहीं मिला था, कोई शॉल नहीं मिला था, कुछ नहीं मिला था. If you've seen throughout, I was the only character, or maybe one of the characters, who didn't have any cover, anything. I only was wearing a sari. तो बार बार मतलब हीटर के सामने वैसे होना. I mean कभी कभार ऐसे हुआ है शॉट हमारा NG हो गया. NG मतलब not good, मतलब कट होना पड़ा था because my socks was visible, या फिर somewhere or the other कुछ तो दिख गया था. So my assistant was running behind the frame. So ये सब बहुत fun incidents हुए about shooting in Ayodhya ठंड में. But we had to show as if like नहीं, हमें ठंड तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगती, हम actors हैं. That switch between before like action and after action, that is a different feel altogether. बहुत मजा आया. Yeah.
Alright. So अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि स्पिरिचुअल गुरुज के बारे में, जैसे कि हमने देखा है ट्रेलर में भी, लाइक ढोंगी बाबा, ढोंगी साधु आजकल बहुत है. So what is your like specific take or your personal thoughts on this, कि सच में होते भी हैं ऐसे कोई ज्ञानी बाबा, या हर कोई ऐसे बस अपना बिजनेस चला रहा है?
सबको तो कुछ ना कुछ बेचना होता है. तो it could be probably something actually valuable in the form of a book. किसी ने नॉवेल लिखा, किसी ने कुछ अपना कुछ टॉक्स. I mean there are many ways. It's not about कि आप एक साधु के वेश में हैं तो you have to be preachy. You can be in suits as well. My point is, जो कुछ बेच रहे, कोई खरीद भी तो रहा है ना उसको. तो I think those people are more responsible. जो विश्वास करते हैं उनमें are more responsible. So it's a choice given to them, I would personally say. ऐसे कुछ ज्ञानी लोग हैं, बहुत है. सो ऐसा भी बोलना बहुत बुरा होगा कि ऐसे नहीं है। आई एम क्वाइट श्योर बहुत सारे संत महात्मा ऐसे हैं, बहुत ही ज्ञानी, लर्नेड, वाइज पीपल, जो कि अपने लिए बहुत बहुत कुछ इन्होंने पढ़ा होगा। इतने मतलब आर कल्चर, नॉट जस्ट हिंदू कल्चर, एवरी कल्चर हैज so much, right, in the past. So be it a saint, this, that, they must have had their versions. But how the believers take it, वो कैसे इसको किसी ने उसको religion बना दिया, किसी ने ये बनाया, किसी ने उसको superstition में बदल दिया. So this is all not really the root cause of like maybe God and religion and all of that. It's about बहुत लोगों ने उसका they misused it. So that's a sad story right now.
ओके, सो बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये गुरमीत बाबा राम रहीम के ऊपर बेस्ड है, सो आपका क्या वर्जन है? व्हाट इज योर टेक? इज इट रियली और दिस इज जस्ट लाइक कैजुअल वन?
इट्स डेफिनेटली वर्क ऑफ फिक्शन, आई वुड से, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा व्हेन यू सेड अबाउट अ साधु या जो भी, व्हाई डिड यू टेक पर्टिकुलरली हिज नेम, व्हाई नॉट समबडी एल्सेस नेम? क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो अगर हमने कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखे, कुछ हमने क्लिपिंग्स देखा, कुछ न्यूज में पढ़ा है, तो एवरीबडी हैज वन सिमिलैरिटी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट करप्शन, वायलेंस, the wrongdoings of in the name of religion. That's what you're aiming. So I don't think a particular name should be targeted because our series has nothing to do with that.
Okay, and talking about obviously this OTT platform, we have seen कि बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, like आश्रम, but बहुत सारी मूवीज जो है OTT पे बैकलैश भी हुई हैं. So what is your take, and आपको क्या लगता है कि कितना सही है, कितना गलत है? What's happening right now, the current scenario if I talk about?
There's a left wing and right wing, correct? We all know that. दुनिया इसी पे चलती है. So I don't have to say further. I mean, it's an opinion. अगर किसी ने बोला ये खराब है और वो लोग उसमें विश्वास, मतलब if they believe that that's bad, then they will not watch it and they'll criticize it anyway. But अगर किसी को अच्छा भी लगता है and they spread the same word, they believe it the same way. So आप खुद देखिए and then you decide. That's all I would say.
ओके, एंड जब ये ऑब्वियसली अभी बहुत ही जल्दी थिएटर्स ऑन हो जाएंगे, बाकी इवेंट्स एवरीथिंग विल बी लाइक ऑन फॉर नाउ, सो कितना रिस्क होगा तभी ट्रैवल करना हुआ, तभी ये सारी चीजों के लिए?
No, are you saying कि in the pandemic? नहीं, repeat your question please.
Yes, as I said कि अभी बहुत जल्दी थिएटर एंड एवरीथिंग, सारे इवेंट्स एंड हर चीजें ओपन हो जाएंगे, तो ट्रैवल करना हो गया, या फिर बॉलीवुड की अगर बात करूं मूवीज के लिए, तो क्या लगता है कि वापस से जैसे पहले था सिचुएशन वैसी ही हो सकती है इन टर्म्स ऑफ बोथ अबाउट पैंडेमिक आल्सो, एंड द थिंग इज व्हाट वी आर सीइंग दिस मूवी को बैन एंड एवरीथिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट आल्सो, तो दोनों को मद्देनजर रख के ये सवाल है.
अब क्रिएटिव प्रोफेशन में यू हैव टू टेक क्रिटिसिज्म, कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म बहुत जरूरी है फॉर एनी डायरेक्टर, एक्टर, टीम टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. तो किस पे बैन हुआ, क्या हुआ, I don't want to get into the politics of that. Every film has suffered that, or and has also come out of it, because at the end of the day, if you have some good content which you're selling, it's being accepted these days. It's not anymore कि किसी ने ऐसे दबाव डाल के बोल दिया कि ये बैन होना है तो होना ही है. There's also another like team fighting for it. So hence that's how our world is working. And as far as safety is concerned, norms about socializing and all of that, yes, we have to be pretty much we have to take a lot of precautions and we have to do it. Yes, I can already speak for myself. I've already started working, I've started shoots, I've started traveling. सतर्क तो रहना ही पड़ेगा. Yeah.
Okay, so since you just said कि like you are traveling, you have resumed your work and shoot had started, so what kind of shoot it is? We would like to know.
So I am doing a couple of ad films here and there, because if you talk about, feature films are being pitched, they are in very nascent stage, so I will not talk too much, preparations are on. But shooting के हिसाब से mostly ad films are being shot. I do a lot of influencer collaborations on my social media, because I'd like to influence my audience with what I'm using, what I'm not. तो इसके जितने भी shoots है, it's almost like safe. I did for like 10 brands in a go. So yeah, my work won't stop because I'm being safe, I'm following the norms, and I think अगर सभी ऐसा करेंगे तो work shouldn't be a hindrance for them.
Okay, so अगर मैं बात करूँ प्रमोशंस की, तो रियलिटी शोज अभी फिलहाल चालू है. बिग बॉस की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो, और हर कोई हम देखता है वीकेंड्स में आता है प्रमोट करने के लिए. So can we see Ashram cast over there like for promoting this movie? ऐसे कुछ अभी तक कुछ डिसाइड हुआ है?
Really, I honestly will have to ask my team. I mean, I don't mind. We've worked with a lovely team. So अगर किसी को कहीं पे जाना है, I'm game.
Okay, apart from that, अगर मैं पूछूं कि ये इस मूवी से और इस लाइक इस वेब सीरीज से व्हाट इज द टेक अवे यू हैव टेकन विद यू, तो वो क्या टेक अवे है?
Are you saying particularly to the youth? Did you say? Did I hear that?
Yes, take away from your character.
Take
from
away,
the
right? Right. So like I said, the beauty of series or like a OTT film is that it's accessible. So everybody can watch it at the tip of the fingers. The message you're trying to send, or even if it's just entertainment, all of that is just right there, right? It's just presented to you in a much accessible format. It's much easier. So I personally feel the takeaway from Ashram would be कि ऐसे we have exemplified an ashram or a Baba जिसको हम we are giving the tag whether he's a protector or he's a sinner, like that, rakshak hai ya bhakshak, like that. Every person in the society, it could be, sorry, but it could be the CEO of a company, it could be anyone, you know, it's not necessary कि हम किसी particular like person को target करें. We're talking about humans after all, right? So दुनिया में ऐसा होता है, लोगों को पता है, we are presenting it. I think it's a thing, it's something people can relate to, they are relating to, they should, and they should be careful not to, like, you know, get entrapped. Yeah.
Okay, so apart from that, Diwali is nearby. What are your Diwali plans? This Diwali, what are you doing?
This Diwali, I'm going to be with family. I am in Calcutta, which is my city of joy. I'm going to eat a lot of home cooked food, spend a lot of time with my mom, dad, and grandparents if possible. I'm trying to stay away from them. I mean, because I'm working, I'm traveling. Pataka to not this year for sure, because I do feel bad. Many people have lost a lot this year, you know. So I'm just not in the mood ki ye bhi karu, wo bhi karu. I'm just very happy and content to be around my loved ones. That's it.
Alright, so lastly जाने से पहले क्या कुछ मैसेज आप देना चाहते हो आपके fans and the one who are watching you?
Hi, मैं हूँ Trudha Chaudhary and I'm playing Babita in Ashram, which is directed by Prakash Jha, streaming on MX Player. 11th November को आ रहा है हमारा like chapter 2. I'm sure आपने chapter 1 देखा होगा and I'm plenty excited for it. So definitely it's Diwali. Watch it with your family and friends. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.
Alright, thank you so much and all the best. Definitely we are looking eagerly waiting for this. Thank you so much. Have a great day and happy Diwali.
Bye. Happy Diwali to you. Bye.
Bye bye.